Good evening, guys. Today I want to share how to make multiple drop-down lists with the simple way in 5 steps. First step, prepare your data that contain of parent and child. In this case, I use provinces as a parent and city as a children. And then the second step, create a form that contain of the parent drop-down list and children drop-down list. You can freely to make drop-down lists with the different style, but in this case I do with my style. Third step, embed data provinces in the province drop-down list. Do the following step. Click data and then data validation, and then choose the list, and the source is the data content of provinces. Just click this one and then press Ctrl Shift right arrow. Fourth step, create name from the selection. Click formula, create selection, check the top row. Okay, and the last step is embed your city drop-down list to the provinces drop-down list. You can do with the following step. And the formula of the source is in direct to the cell of the parent, in this case the provinces. Okay, and then check it. See? That's all. If this information is useful, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and good evening.